Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is BJ Tutor, and in this video let us try to solve question number 3 and question number 4. So students, let us read question number 3, and it says a cube is a three-dimensional figure as shown in figure 11.11. So here in the question, in the figure 11.11, they have given us a cube. And it says a cube is a three-dimensional figure. We all know that a cube is a three-dimensional figure, right? When we say three-dimensional figure, it means those figures that have length, breadth, and height, right? So, if any figure has length, breadth, and height, we call those figures as a three-dimensional figures. So, a cube has length, it has breadth, and it also has height. So, it is a three-dimensional figure. Okay, then it says it has 6 faces. So a cube has 6 faces. Let's check whether it is correct or not. So here's the first face 1, second face, third face, fourth face, and fifth face with the down part, and one last face with the back side, right? So altogether a cube has how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, and all of them means all of these 6 faces are identical squares. So they are all identical squares. And the question further says the length of an edge of the cube is given by L. So if the length of one edge of a cube, so let us suppose that the length of this edge of this cube is given by the variable L. So the question asks us to find the formula for the total length of the edges of the cube. So we are supposed to find the total length of the edges of the cube. Understood? If the length of one edge of the cube is given by the variable L. Understood? So the first question that we need to ask to ourselves is how many edges? What is the number of edges in a cube? How many edges are there in a cube? Understood? So the number of edges in a cube is, do you still remember how many edges are there in a cube? Yes, it is 12. There are 12 edges in a cube. Understood? And the length of one edge of the cube is L. Right? So what will the length of this edge of this cube? It is also be L. Right? And the length of this edge will also be L. So all the 12 edges, their particular length will all be L. Understood? So total length will be given by, since there are 12 edges, we have to add 12L. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So our answer will be 12L. Understood? So instead of adding, you can solve it another way. Right? You can solve it another way. How many edges are there in a cube? 12 edges, right? So 12 times. And what is the length of one edge of the cube? It is given by L, right? So 12 times of L. So we will get the same answer. That is 12L. Understood? So let's write the answer. So students, let us write the answer for question number 3. So our first step will be length of one edge, length of one edge of the cube. So what is the length of one edge of the cube? Yes, it is given by the variable L. Then our next step will be number of edges. Number of edges in a cube. So how many edges are there in a cube? Yes, there are 12 edges. Okay, so therefore the total length of the edges of the edges of the cube will be given by, so you can solve this in 2 steps, okay, in 2 methods. So for me, I will solve the easiest one. So how many edges are there in a cube? There are 12 edges, right? So 12 times, then what is the length of one edge of a cube? Yes, it is given by L. So 12 times of length of one edge of the cube, that is L, and our answer will be 12L. Understood? Okay then, student, let us read our next question number 4. So it says, the diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. So it is a definition of a diameter. So diameter of a circle means it is a line. Okay, it is a line and which joins how many points? 2 points on the circle. And that line must also pass where? Through the center of the circle. Understood? So a diameter is a line which joins 2 points on the circle, and that line must also pass through the center of the circle. So in the adjoining figure, so they have given us a figure of circle. AB is a diameter. So here in this circle, our diameter is AB. So how come this AB is a diameter? Because this line joins how many points? 2 points, right? And they are A and B. And this lines also passes through the center, right? The center C. So AB is a diameter. Understood? So the question asks us, express the diameter of the circle, which is denoted by the variable D, in terms of its radius. So we are going to express the diameter of this circle, which is denoted by the variable D, in terms of its radius. Understood? Radius of this circle, which is denoted by the variable R. Understood? So there's one formula that we need to remember. Okay, so what is the formula? Do you still remember? What is the formula of diameter? Diameter in terms of its radius. Do you still remember the formula? Yes, it is given by 2 times of radius. Right? Diameter is given by, diameter equals to 2 times of radius. Right? So in our question, the diameter is represented by the variable D. Right? So D equals to, use the formula, 2 times of radius. Right? And the radius is denoted by the variable R. So 2 times of R. And our answer will be 2R. Understood? So 2R will be our answer. 2R will be our answer. Understood, student? So let's write the answer. So let's write the answer for question number 4. Since the length of the diameter is double the length of radius, right? Length of radius. Since the length of the diameter is double the length of radius, therefore diameter. So diameter in this question is denoted by the variable D, right? So diameter will be given by 2 times radius, right? And in this question, the radius is denoted by the variable R. So in short, we will get 2R. Understood? So this is our answer. Understood, student? So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe. Stay home, everyone. Please do take care.